A projection screen is an indispensable accessory for those who value high-quality images when watching movies, presentations, or sports broadcasts. Today, I will review the Future Vision Tripod Cinema 240 model. The screen comes in a reliable cardboard box, inside which it is additionally protected by a plastic bag and foam inserts. Such careful packaging guarantees the safety of the device during transportation. The kit also includes instructions in English, which contain basic recommendations for assembly and use. I open the box and see that all the elements of the screen are neatly laid out and protected from damage. The first thing that catches the eye is the convenience of the design. The screen is attached to the tripod with a special lock. To remove it, simply turn the handle counterclockwise. The control handle moves easily and smoothly, which makes the process of adjusting the height as comfortable as possible. A convenient handle with a lock is used to adjust the height of the screen. You can extend the tripod to the desired height and then securely fix it. To increase the length of the tripod, you need to slightly loosen the clamp and extend the rod. Now I start assembling. The screen is attached to the tripod with a clamp. The process is intuitive and takes only a few minutes. I will measure the maximum height to which the screen can be raised. To do this, I lift the folded screen as high as possible, hook the upper part, and smoothly lower the lower one. Measurements show that the distance from the floor to the bottom of the screen is 1 meter. The dimensions of the screen itself are impressive. The width is 240 centimeters, the height is 135 centimeters, and the width of the fields around the perimeter is 4 centimeters. The surface of the screen is made of a white matte material, which provides a clear and bright image. The screen is installed on a tripod, which makes it mobile and convenient for use both at home and outdoors. However, it is worth considering that the surface of the screen has increased windage, so when using it in open areas, it is necessary to protect it from gusts of wind to avoid vibrations and a possible fall. I decided to compare two options, a newly purchased white projection screen and a homemade surface painted with gray paint. Let's figure out which one does its job better. The first thing you notice is the brightness of the image. On a white screen, the picture looks incredibly bright and contrasting. This is an ideal option for watching movies or presentations, where it's important to maintain maximum clarity and saturation. However, there is a downside: glare. On a white screen, they are more noticeable. Now let's move on to a homemade screen painted with gray paint. Here, the situation is different. The first thing that catches the eye is the softer transitions between colors and less pronounced glare. However, there is a downside. The overall brightness of the image is reduced. The picture looks a little darker, and the colors are less lively than on a white screen. Both options have their pros and cons. The white screen pleases with its versatility and brightness, but the gray screen creates a more atmospheric and cinematic feeling. Which screen do you like more? And this is what the screen looks like in action. Thanks to its size and high-quality matte surface, the image is clear and contrasting. Now you can enjoy your favorite films in a warm family atmosphere, or arrange a movie screening outdoors if there is not enough space at home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new reviews and useful tips.